The West Bengal police has named BJP leader Mukul Roy as a conspirator in its charge sheet filed in the murder case of Trinamool Congress MLA Satyajit Biswas in Nadia district. According to CID, the state investigating agency, a total of five people have been named in the charge sheet. Up until now, it includes Roy and BJP MP Jagannath Sarkar. The CID sleuths had earlier questioned Roy, who is the national vice president of BJP in this case. He was granted anticipatory bail by the Calcutta High Court. Biswas was shot dead during a Saraswati Puja program in Nadia district in Feb 2019. BJP has now termed this entire case as a conspiracy to suppress the opposition in Bengal.
देखिए ये ममता हम बोला है, हम चैलेंज किया है। ममता तू होम मिनिस्टर है, वो आदमी का सामने खड़ा होके बोलो जे बीइंग ए होम मिनिस्टर आई बिलीव जे ममता मुकुल इज इन्वॉल्व विद दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटीज। लेट हिम से।
Manogya Lohewal is now joining us. Manogya, outside of the claims and counter-claims and allegations and counter-allegations between the BJP and TMC, which keeps going on and on, at the moment in terms of the investigative agencies, what do they have to say on this particular issue and what are their findings looking like?
Well, all the investigative agencies have always maintained that they have enough evidence to support the allegations that have been made or be the charge sheets that have been filed. Now remember, it's no more just a battle of one agency filing a case against a political personality, but also the political personality and which political party he hails from. That's what has become extremely interesting. All the agencies like Kolkata Police or the West Bengal CID have been investigating matters against BJP, whereas the central agencies have been investigating the matters against Trinamool Congress leaders in Bengal. This has become more of a political battlefront when it comes to investigations. However, these are cases, some of which are being opened or even reopened for a while from past few years, depending on the legality as well as enough evidence that the agencies have to present in this forum. What you would expect in the next few months would be one after the other, such skeletons coming out of the closets and being tumbled here and there, one after the other, for investigations and re-investigations too.
All right, leave it at that. That's a very interesting point that you brought forth. It's no longer about the BJP versus the TMC, but even the investigative agencies are acting on the behest of these political parties. Leave it at that. Manogya, thanks for that report that is coming in now.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.